If you've downloaded apps manually, your Samsung Galaxy may still have unused APK installer files taking up valuable storage. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to find, delete, and permanently remove APK files to keep your phone clean and organized. Step 1. Delete the APK file. Unlock your Samsung Galaxy phone and open the app drawer. Locate and open the My Files app, which is usually found inside the Samsung folder or directly on your home screen. Once you're inside, tap Download since most APK files are saved there after being downloaded. If you don't see the file, tap the search icon at the top and type word APK to display all APK installer files stored on your device. Browse through the list and find the APK file you no longer need. Touch and hold the file until additional options appear. You can even select multiple APK files if you would like to remove several at once. Next, tap Delete at the bottom of the screen, then choose Move to Trash. This removes the file from your storage while placing it in the trash folder, where it can still be recovered if you change your mind. Step 2. Empty the trash for permanent deletion. If you want to permanently remove the APK files and immediately reclaim the storage space, return to the main screen of the My Files app. Scroll down and tap Trash to open the deleted files folder. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu, then select Empty Trash. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete the files. Tap Delete to confirm. Once completed, the APK files will be permanently erased from your Samsung Galaxy, giving you back valuable storage space and helping keep your device clean and organized. That's all there is to it. Your Samsung Galaxy is now free of unwanted APK files, giving you extra storage and a cleaner device. Thanks for watching and see you next time.